What if I told you that the Milky Way's closest giant neighbor is slowly beginning to quiet down? For billions of years, the Andromeda galaxy has been a cosmic factory, constantly creating new stars. But according to new observations from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, that factory isn't working like it used to. So, is Andromeda dying? Not exactly, but something is definitely changing. This is Roy's Astroworld. Located about 2.5 million light-years from Earth, Andromeda is the nearest large galaxy to the Milky Way. It's enormous, stretching over 220,000 light-years across and containing an estimated 1 trillion stars, making it larger than our own galaxy. For decades, astronomers have studied Andromeda because it offers a glimpse into what large spiral galaxies like the Milky Way can become over time. And now, thanks to one of the largest surveys ever conducted of Andromeda, scientists have uncovered an important clue about its future. Using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, researchers examined more than 600 carefully selected regions across Andromeda. By studying millions of individual stars of different ages, they were able to reconstruct the galaxy's history of star formation. The results were surprising. Andromeda has been producing fewer and fewer new stars for roughly the past 500 million years. Even more striking, the decline became much steeper during the last 40 million years. Now, before you imagine Andromeda fading into darkness, that's not what's happening. The galaxy is still creating stars, just much more slowly than it once did. So why would an entire galaxy slow down? The answer comes down to one essential ingredient: cold gas. Stars are born when enormous clouds of cold hydrogen gas collapse under gravity. Without enough cold gas, fewer new stars can form. Scientists think Andromeda is gradually using up this fuel. As the available gas decreases, star formation naturally slows as well. This is actually a normal stage in the evolution of many galaxies. Over billions of years, galaxies can transition from busy stellar nurseries into much quieter places, where only a handful of new stars are born. Ironically, Andromeda's story isn't over. In about 4.5 billion years, it will collide with our own Milky Way. Although collision sounds catastrophic, the galaxies are mostly empty space, so very few stars are expected to crash into one another. Instead, gravity will slowly pull the two galaxies together over billions of years. That merger could compress huge clouds of gas, triggering another burst of star formation before the two galaxies eventually combine into one enormous new galaxy. So even as Andromeda slows down today, its future may hold one final spectacular chapter. The universe is constantly changing, even on the scale of entire galaxies. And thanks to Hubble, we're able to witness those changes unfolding millions of light years away. If you enjoyed learning about Andromeda and want to explore more incredible discoveries from our universe, consider subscribing. Because out there, the next great cosmic mystery is always waiting to be discovered. Subscribe for more astronomy discoveries